Let's take a look today at this brand new 2023 K2 Vehicles Chevy Traverse CT Coach. This hearse already comes equipped with some really nice options, including 4-way clear strobes already implemented on your front grille, so really nice visibility up front. You have flag mounts installed already as well. This does come with staffs and flags from the factory in addition to those mounts. Moving down a little bit further, you'll see you have some really nice exterior options, including your B-pillar stainless, as well as your stainless crown band, and your full traditional tuxedo vinyl top all the way across. Taking a look inside the church truck compartment, we'll first take a look at the door where you can see the all-composite door number 2s as well as your full conversion area. What's great about that is it will keep your car or your hearse rust-free throughout your ownership, and that is guaranteed by MK Coach itself. Moving in a little bit further brings you into your church truck compartment. You have a nice little flip lid here, so you can either lay that church truck down or stand it upright and secure it in with your Velcro strap right here. So it makes it really nice and easy to access, or you can keep that hidden and out of the way. Moving a little bit further back, we'll look into the load door area, or the money door. This is also all composite, so that will stay rust-free throughout your ownership as well. You can see on the load door they included your nameplate brackets, so that's a great place to put your funeral home name and advertise it while it's out on the road. This is your rolling billboard after all, so that's a nice little spot that gives your funeral home name a lot of exposure while on the road. Moving into the casket compartment, you can see right away your 90-degree rollers, making that transition from the church truck into the back of your hearse much easier. It makes that nice and smooth into the back. You have a really nice interior, including your Madagascar floor and your smoke sidewalls, or titanium colored sidewalls, and headliner. Moving around to the driver's side, we'll first start off actually in the back where you can see that added 15-inch extension that they put behind your rear wheel, so it's not affecting the wheelbase of your original Chevy Traverse. So what's great about that, this will drive and maneuver just like your everyday Chevy Traverse SUV. However, has that extension behind the rear wheel to give you that added room and length needed in that casket compartment to fit any size casket, including oversized. Now moving into the spare tire compartment area, you'll notice that's closed off nicely, keeping that compact spare tire completely hidden and out of the way, but also very easy to access if ever needed. Sitting in the driver compartment in this CT Coach, you'll see right away you have some nice comfort features, including your telescopic steering wheel, so you can adjust that according to how you would like. You also have your really nice cloth seats that are manually adjustable, so no electric on these, but you can easily move that back and forth to make yourself comfortable by just hitting the lever underneath. Moving into your infotainment area, you can see that this coach comes equipped with your Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto, so you can program your phone right into this vehicle, making it really easy to continue business while on a service or take phone calls while on the road. Moving down below that infotainment center, you'll see you have your 2 USB ports as well as an auxiliary port, so you can easily plug your phone in down below there to program that into the car, or simply use the auxiliary to just play audiobooks, music, whatever you'd like. And then to the right of that, you have your kind of old school charging port, which not a lot of cars come with anymore, so that's a nice little additional feature. If your 2 USB ports are already taken up, that's another area where you can plug in and use that area as a charging port. Moving into your gear shifter area, you have your gear stick here, as well as a toggle switch, which will allow you to switch between 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive. So really nice piece to use if you're ever in any winter climate or just a more of a mountainous area. That's a nice feature to have that not all coaches come equipped with. Moving back a little bit further, you can see you have some really nice storage area right below your right hand shoulder. And moving up above here, we have your strobe switch to activate those strobes. So when that amber light is on, that lets you know those 4 strobes are running. When you flip that back the other way, that light will turn off, letting you know your strobes are no longer running as well. If you would like any further information on this coach here or any other vehicle that we have in stock, please feel free to give us a call at 1-800-229-5008 or visit us online at parksuperior.com.